Have you ever wondered what truly keeps a man loyal? Beyond love, looks, or chemistry, there's something far more powerful. It's the right words spoken at the right moment that reach deep into his core and make him feel seen, respected, and valued. When a woman understands when to speak and what to say, she unlocks a part of a man that no one else can touch. This video isn't about manipulation, it's about emotional wisdom. Today, we're diving into the exact phrases and timing that can transform your relationship and make your man see you as irreplaceable. Whether you've been together for years or are just starting to build something special, these insights will set you apart. Stick around till the end, because 6 is something almost no one talks about, but once you understand it, you'll never unsee it. 1. Right after he opens up to you. Men are often raised to be tough, to bottle things up, and to never let anyone see them struggle. So when a man finally opens up to you about his fears, his failures, or his past, that moment is golden. If you respond with empathy, not judgment, and say something like, "Thank you for trusting me with that. It makes me love and respect you even more," it rewires how he sees you. You're not just his girlfriend. You become his emotional safe space. And loyalty? It's not just likely. It's inevitable, because men stay loyal to the woman who honors their vulnerability, not the one who uses it against them later. Timing is key. Don't force these conversations, but when he comes to you, be ready with the right words. You're not fixing him. You're anchoring him emotionally. 2, when he feels he's failed you. Every man at some point will feel like he's not enough, whether he lost a job, missed a date, or simply couldn't give you what he thought you needed. In these low moments, your response can either drive him away or bring him closer. What keeps a man loyal is not just a woman who celebrates him at his peak, but one who believes in him when he's at rock bottom. We'll say something like, "I'm not here just for the wins, I'm here for you, even in the storm. We'll get through this together." This type of reassurance hits differently because it tells him you're not loved for what you do, you're loved for who you are. And to a man, that's rare. That's addictive. That's unforgettable. Moments like these build the kind of emotional loyalty that even the most attractive temptation can't compete with. 3, right after you've argued, not during the fight. Arguments happen, even in the healthiest relationships. But what separates the lasting ones from the short-lived is what you say after the storm has passed. Don't try to win the fight. Win the connection. Once things cool down, if you can look at him and say, "I know we don't always agree, but I love that we can talk it through. I'm still here and I still choose you," you'll shift the emotional energy instantly. Men don't always remember every detail of a fight, but they do remember how you made them feel afterward. If you make him feel like disagreements won't cost him your love, he will stick by your side with a loyalty most women only dream about. This moment, post-conflict, has the power to either drive a wedge or weld you closer. Choose your words wisely. 4, when he's doing the right thing but no one notices. One of the most powerful things you can do to inspire loyalty in a man is to notice what others overlook. Men might not always admit it, but they crave appreciation for the things they consistently do right. When he shows up for you, when he chooses integrity, when he sacrifices something for the relationship, catch him in the act and say, "You may think I didn't notice, but I see the way you take care of me and us. It means more to me than you know." This simple acknowledgement isn't just praise, it's validation. It lets him know his efforts matter. Why is this so important? Because the world rarely thanks men for being emotionally mature, responsible, or consistent. So when you do, you become the exception. You become the place he feels most seen, and men don't cheat on the woman who sees what the world ignores. 5, when he's physically close and emotionally present. There are certain rare moments where physical closeness aligns with emotional presence, like after an intimate moment, while cuddling on the couch or lying in bed talking about life. In these quiet, unguarded spaces, what you say can seal his emotional bond with you. Try this. "There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you." Or even more powerfully, "You make me feel so safe and loved." Why does this matter? Because as much as men love to feel strong and in control, they also long to feel needed, not for their muscles or money, but for their presence. When you affirm that, you're giving him something deeper than physical intimacy. You're offering emotional intimacy. And men stay loyal to the woman who touches their heart, not just their body. 6. When he's questioning his worth or direction. Every man goes through moments of doubt when he questions his career, his future, his ability to provide or succeed. In those moments, silence or vague support won't cut it. What he craves is clarity. He needs to hear, I believe in you. I don't need you to have it all figured out. I just need you to keep going. And I'm right beside you. That kind of affirmation becomes fuel. It tells him he's not fighting alone. And when a man feels that his woman is emotionally invested in his journey, not just the destination, his bond to her deepens. You're no longer just a partner. You're his teammate, his anchor, his reason to keep striving. Loyalty thrives in this space because no man wants to lose the woman who stood by him when he didn't even stand by himself. 7. When you're both laughing and being playful. Loyalty isn't built only through deep emotional conversations. Sometimes it's created in laughter, in the lightness. During those fun, silly moments, when you're dancing in the kitchen, teasing each other, or just being goofy, lean in and say, I love this version of us. Promise we'll never lose this. What that says to him is this is more than love. It's friendship. It's joy. Men crave emotional connection, but they also crave a woman who makes life feel lighter, better, warmer, and those who can bring out a man's inner boy without judgment end up being unforgettable. It's not about being perfect. It's about being real. And in that realness, loyalty is born. Because when a man knows you're not just there for the heavy stuff, but for the laughter too, he'll never want to let go. 8, when he opens up about his past. When a man shares something deeply personal, whether it's about childhood wounds, past heartbreaks, or former mistakes, it's not just small talk, it's vulnerability. And in those moments, your response can either deepen his trust or make him regret opening up. What should you say? Thank you for trusting me with that. I respect you even more for going through it and still being the man you are. This kind of response reassures him that his emotional exposure doesn't change how you see him, it enhances it. And when a man knows he can show you his scars without losing your admiration, he develops loyalty rooted in trust. Because loyalty isn't just not cheating, it's choosing someone you feel safest with, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. 9, when he's sacrificing for you. He might not say it out loud, but there are things he does just for you, whether it's skipping a night out with friends, working overtime, or showing up for your family. He's choosing you. These moments of selflessness are often subtle, but your words can turn them into lasting emotional anchors. Say something like, you didn't have to do that, but you did, and it makes me love you even more. Or, I see the way you put me first sometimes, and I'll never take that for granted. Words like these confirm something powerful, that his efforts aren't invisible. They show him that you understand the cost of what he's giving you. And the truth, men are fiercely loyal to the women who don't just expect, but appreciate. And when you're saying goodbye, even briefly, whether he's leaving for work, going on a trip, or just stepping out for the evening, these transitional moments are golden opportunities. They might seem small, but a parting phrase at the right time sticks in his mind. Instead of a generic bye or take care, say, come back to me, okay? Or even better, I'll miss you, be safe, I love how hard you work. This creates an emotional imprint. He's not just stepping out the door, he's leaving someone who genuinely values him. And here's the secret, men are far less likely to seek comfort elsewhere when they already feel desired, missed, and emotionally connected. That quick moment, it builds long-term loyalty. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.